A very good morning, one and all present here. It is my pleasure to introduce our guest speaker, our engineer S. Kathirvelu. S. Kathirvelu. So S. Kathirvelu has completed his bachelor degree in 1998, IRTT, Institute of Road and Transport Technology. So immediately he has joined in the Transport Advisory Forum, which is in Chennai from 1999 to 2001. And then step by step, he has carried out around 27 years of industrial experience. In this 2001 to 2006, he has worked as an engineer transport and a crafts consultant. And next he has gone to Mukesh and associate consultant as a senior engineer. Then currently he is working as a deputy project manager in AECOM Indian Private Limited. So he has a key experience of working as a deputy project manager for detailed design consultancy for Chennai Metro Phase 2 Corridor 3, 28 underground stations. It includes 28 underground stations, 19 elevated stations, 21 kilometers bored tunnel till from 2018 to till date, and worked as a ARE in Doha Metro Green Line underground station tunnel casting yard, worked as a ARE in Chennai Metro Phase 1 underground station utility and traffic diversion, consultant supervision of deep excavation in hard and soft soil, monitoring of instruments for excavation is soft soil, which is in soft soil, supervision of RC work such as diaphragm walls, piles, columns, and slabs. And he has the supervision of NATM tunnel and monitoring of TBM tunnels. And he has the supervision of tunnel segment casting yard and worked as a utility as a traffic diversion work in Chennai Metro Phase 1 also, and supervision of MEP and architectural finishes for the station work, planning and construction monitoring of road works, and completely he has the detailed project report preparation also. He has lot of experience in working in projecting the detailed project report preparation also, and he has worked traffic and transportation management planning also. So with this introduction, I'm really glad to invite Mr. Kathirvelu. Welcome, sir. Sir, you are not audible, sir. Please unmute yourself, sir.
Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So very good morning, sir. Really, we are happy to have your session, and the participants from the various polytechnic college and school students and our current students also kindly share your experience, the importance of the civil engineering, which is very crucial role which plays in the sustainable development. So welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Ms. Rekha, and I thank Y Rekha for giving me this opportunity. Also, I thank SA Engineering College for giving me this opportunity to talk about the civil engineering in the current situation on the topic of civil engineering, a mother of engineering. Uh, uh, I'll start with the what is mother of engineering. Like when we started ancient, even age old, if you go back, the civilizations. First, we need a shelter, right? So our humans start building the shelters and start building the safe places. That's where the actually engineering started. So the civilization like Egypt and Mesopotamia, Rome, and Indus civilization for the
Sir,
India.
sorry to interrupt you, sir. Can
Yeah.
you make it as a slideshow, sir? Full screen mode.
I'm in full screen only. Let
Full
me
screen.
see.
Yeah, full screen mode slideshow. Yes.
Now it's okay.
F5, sir. You can make use of F5.
F5. Let me go to the. Now it's okay, right?
No, sir. Otherwise, you can go to the slideshow and then top at the top.
Still, it is in
Yeah, present slideshow, sir. You can go to the slideshow
this
top.
one, right? This one.
Yeah, you can, but it is not working at.
Then I have to click this.
Uh,
Because I'm clicking this one, but still it is. I'm seeing slideshow, but I think
okay.
you're not able to see, right?
Yes, sir. Can you share as a slideshow? You can cancel it, and again you can share as a slideshow itself.
You're able to see that file.
Not shared, sir. Not it.
Wait, there is file is processing. Once it's
Go to the present. When you go to the present, in this, you can share screen as a slideshow itself, sir. You can make it. Yes, yes, got it. Got it.
oh, you got it right.
Yeah, yes. Please proceed, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So as I said, the mother of engineering, the civil engineering, that's where we started as a human. We started building shelters. So it started with a civilization like Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Rome, Indus civilization. So that's how the civil engineering started. Then when we get modernized and then we make it a systematic and make a different disciplines of engineering. And civil engineering is acting as a foundation for the other discipline also, mechanical, electrical, which later got invented, but the basic is from the civil engineering. And what we do as a civil engineers, we do design various structures. When we go modernization, we need a lot of facilities. So we use the civil engineering technique. We design, construct, and maintain the infrastructures like buildings, roads, bridges, dams, airports, railways, water supply, waste management, smart city, and green infrastructure. In everyday, day-to-day life, what we face, it's all the basic is civil engineering. Coming to the civil engineering, what are the various disciplines in the civil engineering is structural engineering, which we saw that we do design, but there is another various types of engineering also. And geotechnical engineering, every building, every structure need a support which is sitting on the earth, right? So those studying about the geotechnical parameters, what kind of soil, rock or soft ground. So accordingly, we design the foundations. Without a proper foundation, what you build above the ground is of no use. So that's where geotechnical also important. Construction management. We do design everything, we give the drawing everything, but if you don't build the uh, structure at we design and in time and in quality, there is no use. So that's where the construction management topics comes in. Then the transport engineering is we see highways, roads, and all. So how do they build? How do they decide that this many lanes and intersections and then flyovers? How do they decide is where the transportation engineering comes into pictures. Environmental engineering, uh, again we deal with various environmental aspect, and it get polluted if you don't manage it properly. It pollutes the environment, so that also we manage. It comes under the civil engineering. Then water resource engineering, dams, canals, irrigation system, flood control, everything. So this is generally about the various disciplines of the civil engineering. I'll talk about each disciplines. What are the activities that each discipline is having? First, we start with the geotechnical. Geotechnical, as I said, foundation. Foundation is important for any building, without which structure is not going to be safe. So foundation engineering, they do study the grounds and then they check the soil, safe bearing capacity. Different types of soil is there: silt, sand, then weathered rock, highly weathered rock, then hard rocks. Various type of grounds are there. There we study type of foundation. It's a open foundation, isolated, or if it's very soft, we cannot rest it on the ground. You have to take the deep foundation, which is a pile foundation. So this is where the geotechnical design engineer input is coming in. So that is a subject where you will be studying deeply into the geotechnical engineering. In any project, if you take, there is a separate team will be available, geotechnical design engineers. Everybody cannot do every work. So geotechnical engineer is a separate discipline wherein you can also select your career. Then geotechnical part comes into the tunnel. Uh, we do in metro also, boat tunneling we do it. I'll just show a video later. And then in rocky terrain like in Himalayas and all, rock excavation is there. That's where also the geotechnical input is very much important. You might have heard Sikaraya tunnel collapse, and recently in Andhra Pradesh also there was a tunnel collapse and all. So where the geotechnical and geologist input is very much important, which we study in our undergraduate subject also. So if you study in detail, you can understand that very easily, and then you can select a geotechnical topic also. Offshore engineering is about the oil exploration, and then building a structure across the sea, where we can see in Mumbai recently they built a coastal road project. They went across the sea. Then slope stability analysis, where we do a deep excavation. When we do excavate, then the slope need to be stable, otherwise whatever we do the work, it's going to be unsafe. So that is also comes under the geotechnical engineering. Like similarly, geostructural engineering and then embankment engineer, all those things comes under the geotechnical discipline. Then once the below ground design is done, they will give the input to the structural engineer. Structural engineer will design the structures, RC structure or steel structures. So that has a different discipline. Again, if you go into structural, you want to select the structural design subject, you will be designing the structures using various softwares are available, but you need to be strong on the concepts. Whatever you study in the RCC subject, bending moment, shear force, compressive strength, tensile strength, all those things you need to have the basics. Then you can use the softwares like StatPro and all. It's a finite element method softwares where you can actually model it. But once you model it, you should know how it behaves. So for that, your fundamental academics should be strong. So if you are strong, then you can easily quickly do a very complex building also in the software, and then easily design the structures. Once that is done, the drawings are ready, design is done, that will go to a field. So whatever do site they construct, we need to check whether the drawings are implemented properly. So structural design engineer representative will go there and check on site it's implemented properly or not. Then if you come to various structures, bridge the bridges are the main uses in highway, railway, pedestrian bridges. Many locations it is there. If you go across Chennai now, the Chennai Metro Phase 2 is construction is ongoing. You can see it's mostly of bridges only. What you see, the viaduct within the barricade, if you look up piers, and then the viaduct which carries the railway is all bridges only. They are all precast, pre-stressed bridges. This is comes under the structural discipline. Then another discipline now getting importance is the BIM rivet. Earlier we used to do only in CAD, AutoCAD, but now the rivet is getting importance, because we can visualize before even building the structures. You can model it based on the design drawing what the design engineer is giving. You can model it and then visualize how it looks like. Any missing item is there, that we can easily visualize it. In our project, we are using the Revit and BIM extensively. So that is also getting very high importance now. But the availability in the market is very less. Even we just take 1 year experience also, we pay good money, and then we recruit them, because the awareness is less and the people are less, but the demand is more. So that is also where the structure also get important. Then of course research, academic activity, like if you finish undergraduate, then you can go into research, go to masters, and then go for a research PhD to do further new innovations or a new topic. You can take a topic and then refine it and submit, and then get more in-depth knowledge. So these are the things available under structures. So in this discipline also you can venture into your career. Then comes the construction project management, which is also a major part in any civil engineering one. Earlier, in small projects, one or two, three engineers do everything. Now, if you see the major infrastructure projects, metros, bridges, and then airports and all, it's all done through a project management consultancy, wherein a quality control team will be there, which comprises of various civil engineering disciplines. They know the parameters as per the code, what should be the compressive strength, what should be the uh, uh, minimum acceptable limits, various things. They will keep it in mind when the construction team progresses. They will be focusing more in the progress. So quality control engineers ensure that the work done as per the quality. Then comes the safety engineer. Safety engineer ensures that whatever they do at site, without risking their life and others also. So that is also a subject comes under the project manager, where the civil engineer also getting involved, because if you don't understand what we are doing it, so we cannot ensure the safety. So that's where a civil engineer also getting employed in the safety topic. But you have to do some course for the safety topic. Then design check engineer is there. Whatever the contractor's design team is doing the design, that something they may overlook it, so they submit to the project management team. That's they do a check, and if they anything they miss it, then they correct it, and then it goes to site. So it's a level of check where the construction project management team is also involved. Again, when it goes to site, various disciplines are there, like starting from the junior engineer who visits the rebar tying and all, and then concrete quality. Then after above that, there is another level supervision engineer is there. Then after that, there more one more manager is there. So all are civil engineers. Whatever I'm talking now, all people are involved is civil engineering. Then comes the contract management. When the government or the any project is awarded to a contract, it get delays, and then why it is delayed. So you need to have a civil engineering understanding for that. So there also contract management, the civil engineer is required. And then in the construction project management also, there is a BIM team is there. Whatever initially done by the contractor, that need to be checked before it get approved. So this is where also huge opportunity is there for the project management. Then as I said earlier, transportation and road engineering, which initial period of my career I worked in that, wherein you will be uh, designing the road capacity first. If you, let's say, one uh, say Velur to Chennai, there is a road, and where people feel congestion. So what we do at engineering wise, you do a first traffic study. How many volume of vehicles are going? Then what is the characteristics of the land use adjacent to that? How much potential is there in future to develop more vehicles? Generate more traffic. So accordingly, we do a survey, then project, and then after 30 years, this many vehicles will come. We need to widen the road. These things we do a estimate. Then comes into the traffic engineering, wherein at the junctions and all, you need a proper turning radius and all. uh, there where we employ the highway design engineering. Then after everything is done, road construction starts. During the road construction, you need to ensure that we build the roads safely without disturbing the traffic. That's where the road safety audit is important. So whatever I said is various disciplines of the civil engineering, where there are a lot of opportunities are there. But only thing that whatever you do study, you should study properly and study in depth. The advantage of civil engineering is that you can really visualize it easily. You can go to site and understand it. The only one requirement in any discipline, you go to computer science, you go to civil engineering, you go to mechanical engineering, you need a interest toward the subject. So what I'm saying here, students who are going to take up or who are already in the civil engineering, don't think that it is last engineering one. Actually, it is the first engineering one. We can be proud of what we are doing it. When I uh, uh, finished my metro project in phase one, when I was traveling in the metro, I was very proud because I was involved in that, and I used to see the structures. Okay, this is what I was building it. So that kind of proud moments you can get it. Not only that, you get paid off well also. But currently I'm 25 6 experience is there. You will build up the career very slowly, but eventually you will get in a very good comfortable positions where the computer engineer is also coming at that position. You will also be same in the same level, but initial period you need to work hard and then establish yourself. The opportunities are very huge. Now the metro is building everywhere. If you take metro, the major employment is for the civil engineering only. Now the Coimbatore metro is going to come up, Madurai metro is going to come up, and then in Chennai also they are going to expand 2 3 corridors. Likewise, it is only one city, one state I'm saying. So in India, there are about 10 15 states are going in a full-fledged metro. This about, I'm talking about only about the metro. There are a lot of other projects also going on, highways. There are also a lot of opportunities there. But when people want to take the engineers, they just ask them the basic questions, where that your hard works will come into effect. You need to study what you study. You should be able to tell them clearly when you being asked what you have studied, and then we ask many basic questions. So that's what my request is, that don't think that civil engineering there is no opportunity. What I'm presenting here is a very big opportunities there. Only thing we need to grab it. Uh, One more thing I want to say that in Chennai Metro, whatever I see, only 50% of people from local is there. But we are producing a lot of civil engineers. We could see that other states from other state, North Indian people are working here. Those are the opportunity. Actually, we can capture it. Only thing we are not utilizing it. So make use of that one. Lot of opportunities are there. I'll show you a small video about the tunneling where we are working now, which is engineering marvel. When I first see that, it was uh, very interesting. You can see that. Now I'll go to the slide mode. I'm not able to click the link. Okay, let me present it again with the. Okay, I'll finish this presentation. So what we can see is the engineering marvel, wherein you can see the ChennaI Bridge recently built, and then it is a proud moment for India. We opened the traffic in the valley, Kashmir Valley, where again I said that it's being implemented by the government, and there is a contractor wherein huge civil engineering employment is there. Then the project management team on behalf of the client from government, they cannot inspect, so they need a specialist people wherein all the civil engineers will come in there, and then they ensure that it is done safely and with quality and in time. Burj Khalifa. I also worked in Qatar. I know that this in Dubai, this Burj Khalifa is built, and then a lot of input gone in from the civil engineering. Huge employment was there. Why I'm saying this one is I worked in Qatar. Before that, I worked in Chennai Metro project, where I learned about the safety, quality, and then how to manage the contract also, wherein we get in the international experience also, where I got an opportunity to go and work in Qatar also. So that is also that there are huge opportunity abroad also for the civil engineers. Uh, this all the engineering marvel in USA, the Golden Gate Bridge, dams, huge dams are there. In India also they are building it now. This is the tunnel where I'm showing this one because this where I worked also in phase 1, phase 2 also. What you see is the tunnel with the segments. You see the rings, but it's all built. One ring is with the 6 segments. That I will show it in a video. Then there are a lot of opportunity in the construction chemicals also. There also the involvement of the civil engineering is also there. So again, I'm the same. What we civil engineering important is that it is the everyday's life where we go on road and buildings and bridges, metros, everywhere civil engineering is there. And with respect to the protecting the building, people, earthquake resistance structures we have to build, flood control also. Again, we our civil engineering input is much required. In India, a lot of important projects like metros. I just mentioned the Delhi Metro, but a lot of metros are there. If you name Delhi Metro, Mumbai Metro, Kolkata Metro, Chennai Metro, Bangalore Metro, a lot of metros. Everything involves huge opportunities of civil engineering. What you would have to do, those who are studying in school, just study basic maths, basic physics, and drawing skills, because you need to read a lot of drawings in civil engineering. So that's basic requirement. When you come into the civil engineering, study in depth. the current opportunity is that you have a lot of videos, and then things are available, lectures are available after the academic hours. You can search in videos. If you don't understand, you can visualize and then easily understand. In our time, we had only the books, very limited opportunity for seeing the videos, but now you guys have a lot of avenues to see the videos in YouTube's, and then easily understand. Even now also, I have some doubts. I just search it, and then I see very quality materials are available. Then I get clear my doubts also. So that is available. So study what you study well. Then when you come out, be proud that I'm a proud civil engineering. You just start your career with confidence. Okay, here some of the institutes are mentioned where government organization also they employ Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission is TNPSC. Uh, if you write GATE, you will. If you don't want to go to IITs, pursue PGs, you can do it. Otherwise, you can do with the GATE score. You can go into the job also. Many central government organizations qualify for the GATE scores also. So government opportunities also there, but whatever I said before is a lot of private opportunities are there. So be proud that if you are doing civil engineering, if you want to take civil engineering, be proud, and then study well, and get success in the life. I'll just show a video, but I'll first stop this presentation. Then I will show you the video. Then you can go into the question session. Hope my video is visible, right?
Visible.
Visible, sir.
इसीलिए Amazon फ्रेश यहाँ ग्रोसरी पे मिले up to 45% डिस्काउंट, ऊपर से कैशबैक और
You're able to
डिस्काउंट।
see
इसीलिए
my
Amazon फ्रेश से
things.
ग्रोसरी लाओ, नहीं तो महंगा पड़ेगा।
Sorry, this is actually from the YouTube, so you could have seen the
28 existing stations to the West End, the City and Canary Wharf through 21 TBMs will...
You're able to see the video, right? Rekha? Can you see the video?
No, sir. Video.
No, sir. Not.
Now?
Yeah, off it. Share also.
Sir, you can come out and share again, sir.
All screen.
Yeah, actually,
drive through the ground.
you're able to see the slides now?
Your system screen is visible, sir, now.
Okay, okay. I need to stop presentation. Now you can see the video, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the tunnel boring machine, what you are seeing in the video. This is what we are using it in Chennai Metro also. What you see is in the front where my cursor is there. This is where the tunnel boring machine will bore through the ground, and then if you see this one, this is the uh, tunnel boring machine is there, where you can see I shown in the image, right? These segments are there. These segments, they will install it in 6 pieces, ring by ring. They will do it. Just you can watch how this is moving. So what you can see is the tunnel rings built here with the segments, and then this excavation is keep going. Here in this, what you see is just a machine is here. There are a lot of civil engineering involved. When we do the excavation through this boring machine, which is about 6-meter dia, wherein after building this one, the train will be passing through this one. This boring machine will be excavating it. Before that, there are a lot of geotechnical input is required. They will do a lot of boreholes here, and they will study that what is the ground condition is there. Is it a stiff ground, or the loose soil is there? Any local cavity is there? If you don't do it, this machine will, when they excavate it, it will bring in a lot of excavation material, and the buildings here will become unsafe. It will crack. So that's where the geotechnical input is required. And then the segments what we are building, these are all the segments casted at the casting yard, wherein I said that quality control is maintained, and then the design is done. Based on that, they will put the reinforcement, cast the rings, and various height of the backfill is there. Based on that, that much pressure will act on the tunnel. They will do the design based on the overburden pressure. Some location you have huge buildings are there. Those things we need to take into consideration and design the rings. So this is just an example what we are doing it, wherein a lot of civil engineering input is there. In 1 TBM, if you employ, there will be about 15 people will be there. Night shift, day shift, people will keep working on this one, because you cannot stop the TBM because it's unsafe to stop. There are a lot of money involved to stop the TBM. So this is an engineering marvel where this being employed over 50 years in abroad now. Last 10 years in India, we are utilizing it. And there are a lot of opportunities here. Most of the crews are coming from North India and all. If you want to tap the opportunity, please tap the opportunity. You can get into the tunnel subject also. Yeah, so that's the end of my presentation. So thank you, students. Please, I welcome any questions from you.
Thank you so much for your wonderful insights given, sir. Sir, I just wanted to have one small suggestion from you to the student community, sir. So nowadays, most of the students are preferring or shifting to the other domain when compared to our core department. So especially civil engineering. So for current or next generation or current outcoming +2 students, what is your suggestion for how we can make it? So if the students get one confidence, if we take this discipline, okay, we can sustain or long run in this field. So in that case, what is your suggestion and the job opportunities maximum we can trap? We can get into. So, based on that, we can give some awareness to the parent as well as students. So, kindly suggest how what are the opportunities either in industry or government sector like that. Sir. Kindly suggest.
Yeah, those who are in 12th standard, first of all, civil engineering has a lot of opportunity. First, that is the mindset you should have, whether I should take or not. No, that's a question you should take out from your mind. It's a very good opportunity, very good engineering, but you have to put the effort. You should come in, once you decide, come in determined state, then study well. That is one. What are the opportunity, like Rekha madam asked? So First thing is people prefer government. If you want to go to government, there are a lot of opportunity, but more than that, private opportunities are more in industry. But government opportunities like TNPSC in Tamil Nadu Public Service Commissions, they recruit for the highways, PWD, irrigation, uh, then Slum Clearance Board, Chennai Corporation, many organizations are in Tamil Nadu government itself. They call for notification, then you need to apply, but you need to prepare well for that because everybody want to government job. So your competition will be tough. People are studying it now. Now the opportunities, a lot of support is available for you to prepare. If you want to go into government service, lot of avenues are there. You can get prepared and go. If you are very well academically sound, you can prepare it. But still, there are some techniques are there. They'll give you a lot of ideas if you go through a proper coaching. Then comes into the private sector. Private sector, as I mentioned. Uh, but before that, okay, going into the government, they will you will start with the assistant engineer. Assistant engineer, where you will start your career in the government organization. Then after 5 years, 5 to 8 years, they will promote you to the next level. So when you retire, maybe you will become superintendent engineer or a chief engineer. It depends upon how strong and how uh, uh, good you are at work, and then mingle with other officers. So you will grow well. But government wise, it's safe for the opportunity wise, but earning is not that much. And then you will be doing almost same repeated work, but there is a safety of the job. That's what people pursue. But when it to come to private, you need to be little flexible. You have to be flexible to go around the cities and explore more. uh, that's a minimum requirement. Don't think that in civil engineering you will be just dealing with the cement, sand, aggregate, and all. That's only 10% of the part. Whatever I've mentioned, the project management team, they completely work from the office only, be it a quality management or the geotechnical engineering, design engineering. A lot of big design offices are there in Chennai and Bangalore. Many companies are now actually coming into Indian cities and doing the foreign jobs here because the employment, when the rate of pay is comparatively less here, so they bring a lot of works here and get it done from here and then send it to abroad. So private opportunities wise, geotechnical and then structural, uh, then environmental engineering, many things are there. I just mentioned few. Uh, when you start as a junior engineer, when they like my organization Ecom India is a US based company, they start uh, with a junior engineer with a right now we are actually paying about 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs for the junior engineer to start with. Then we see their potential. If they are really very capable, immediately we in private, that is a very good thing, is that if you are good at your work and you produce more, then immediately they will give you promotions and you go to a very big projects, and your pay will be growing very exponentially based on your capability. So uh, that's what I would like to inform to the students who are now in currently in 12th and who are looking towards the civil engineering job. A lot of private opportunities are there, but study well, and then these tools like Revit or the uh, STAD and then Midas and all is a tool only, but you should be basically strong about the civil engineering concepts. Then nothing is hard. You can easily sail through the career job, and you can earn a very good money. For example, when I started 1998, it was really very dry. Maximum of government opportunity, less of the private opportunity. slowly, when the Indian economy was growing, a lot of highways started building up. The Golden Quadrilateral was being built up. So I got employment. Slowly it built. Then metro started coming in. Down the metros is spreading everywhere. So in the metros, actually, I got a lot of opportunity. My salary has grown 5 6 times, and then when I went to abroad, it went 10 times what I earned. So I did not imagine that civil engineering can give this much one pay for me, and then opportunities. I'm really very comfortable now. As I mentioned, please uh, focus on what you are selecting, study well, and then come out in the field, and then confidently you can grow your career. So that's my advice to the students who are in current 12th standard. Yeah. Yes, recommend.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. You have given lot of inputs or insights that should be followed by the further generation. Thank you so much. I would like to call Vinod sir to give a vote of thanks.
So thank you, sir. Sir, it was indeed.
Sir, your voice is not audible. Hello. Sir, your voice is not audible.
Hello, sir. கேக்குதா சார்?
Yeah,
ஹலோ.
now audible. Yeah.
Sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. We can leave, sir. Thank you.